Governor Chukwuemeka says the late Dim Chukwuemeka, Odumegwu, Ojukwu, and other heroes past are people who sowed the seed of progressivism and pointed out that the Igbo man excels because he utilizes his knowledge. The governor stated this at the third Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu Memorial Lecture held at the ETF Auditorium of Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu University, Ibariam. ABS education correspondent Queen Anibogo has the details of that report. Because Diego
Dr. Chukwuemeka said, while Nigerians celebrate their heroes past, let everyone reflect and think back on the devastating effects of violence, saying it is only when they come together that they can actualize their dreams as a people.
These are the people who sowed the seed of progressivism. This is Anambra State, a state of great people.
Our hero, whose name began, may these intellectual founders, according to them, for us be a point of contact as we work towards completing this university.
We need a federal university here. No, we don't need to build a university so that we will say the Anambra University. No, we will build a university to reflect the image, the quality, and the personality of people that are born of Anambra State.
I think we need some level of understanding. And I want people leaders to stand up with occasion. You need to be united, you need leadership.
Queen Anibogo reporting for ABS News.